Hi children, here is an interesting exercise. We are going to change the vowel inside the word. You have to look at the word and look at the vowel, change it to form the plural. Alright? You're going to enjoy this exercise, changing vowels in the word, in the singular word. Okay? Good. Let's look at our first picture. Look what we have here. Who is this now? Who is this person? Yes? You have one person here, two persons here. Now what's your daddy? He's a man. Yes. Doctor is a man. Man. Look at the word here. M-A-N. Man. One man. Singular form. And we are going to form the plural. We have two. One man here, one man here. Two together. When you change the inside vowel, A is the vowel, yes? We're going to change this A and make it E. Man, one. M-E-N, men. Is it enjoyable? Yes. One man, two men. What are we doing here? Changing the singular, looking at the singular word, identifying the vowel, changing the vowel, then you get the plural form. One man, two men. Yes? Interesting, isn't it? Let's look at another picture. Look what we have here. Who is this? What's your mommy? Mommy is a lady. Mommy is a woman. One woman. Yes? Spell W-O-M-A-N. Woman. Okay? Now, we have such woman. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when it is more than one, then we look at the word. Here you have A vowel. We'll change that A and become E. Women. Alright? So, W-O-M-A-N. Woman. One woman. 4 women. W-O-M-E-N. You change this A and put E. Is it interesting? One woman, 4 women. Singular woman, plural women. Good. Let's look at another picture. Look what we have here. What is this? Brush. For what? To brush your teeth. Do you brush your teeth? Yes. Do you brush it morning and night? To keep the germs away? Keep your teeth sparkling? Good. You have here one tooth. One. And how many you have? Many in your mouth. This is one tooth. T-O-O-T-H. Tooth. One tooth. Tell mommy, my tooth is paining. Let's go to the doctor. Yes? Tooth. Now, when you have many, you change the vowel inside. Which is the vowel? O. 2 O's. We change and then it becomes teeth. Good. Interesting, isn't it? T-O-O-T-H. Tooth. One tooth. Many teeth. We change the vowel inside. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Brush your teeth morning and night to keep all the germs away. One tooth, many teeth. Good. Let's look at another picture. See what you have here. What is this? Goose. Big, large type of duck. It's called goose. Look how elegant the goose looks. We have one here and we have 4 here. Spell goose. G-O-O-S-E. One goose. And if you have 4, then you change the vowel. Both O-O become E-E. We change O into E and it becomes 4 geese. One goose, 4 geese. G-E-E-S-E. Geese. Singular goose, plural goose. Geese. One goose, singular, goose, plural, geese. One goose, 4 geese. Did you enjoy changing the vowel inside the word? Good. Let's look at another picture. Look at your leg. What is that? 1 foot. Yes? You take a lift up 1 foot. Good. Spell foot. F-O-O-T. Foot. How many you have? 2. 1, 2. Change the vowel inside double O and it becomes, plural form, it becomes feet. Stand up on your feet, children. Feet. F-E-E-T. Feet. 1 foot. 2 feet. Singular form foot. Plural feet. Good. You must always stand up on your feet straight. Good. Shall we look at another picture and learn to change the vowel inside the word to get the plural? Who is this? Mouse. You like mouse? Not at all. They come and trouble mama in the kitchen. Spell mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. 1 mouse. 3 mice. 1 mouse. 3 mice. The vowel O changes into I, M-I-C-E, mice. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Here it becomes mice. A little different there. Yes? 1 mouse, several mice. Good. So let's go on to another picture.